Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this dual channel TENS massager. This is a back massager that helps massage out all those achy pains of your back and your legs. This is the family unit, which means you get extra pads to cover those areas. Alright, so right here is the dual channel TENS massager. This massager has a rechargeable electric muscle massager which can stimulate the ciliary nerves and muscles to activate specific natural pain gate mechanisms to relax your body and have a pain management at any time. This is like if you're going to the physical therapy, this does the exact same thing. So right here you can see the machine. We're going to go ahead and put that aside so I can show you what all comes in this box. First off, right here, you have the little pad placer, so you'll place your pads here once you're not using them. It's just a little plastic thing. And then right here, you get a little knapsack. It's a drawstring, so you can take this anywhere you want to go. You can just tighten it up from the strings. So when I say this is a family pack, you do get extra pads. So this one here, you get 8 long pads. These are 2x4s. So each one of these packages has 2. There's one on the front, one on the back. And then you get the 2x2s. You get 16 of them. So each package has 2 per side. So you got 2 right here in the front. You got 2 in the back per each ones. Then you have the wires themselves. You get 2 wires because this is a dual channel, so you can run 2 simultaneously, which is actually 4 pads at a time. This does have 20 modes. Preset modes offer you a hammering, kneading, shiatsu, and more choices to help with your pain. So here's the other wire. So these little things right here will go inside the pads. That right there will go inside the machine. So in the box, you get a standard charger with a USB part and then a standard Android. And then you get the wall plug. And then here is a carrying case. It's a belt clip. And then at the bottom of this, you get a standard wall charger, which is a 110. So you will plug in your machine into the back of this. It's right actually located here at the bottom. And then you get one user manual. That basically explains everything about this unit. They do have cautions. Some of them say where not to apply these in certain areas. Do not use this unit during these activities. So they suggest not to use this on the head, the mouth, anywhere near the neck where you're breathing because it can obstruct your breathing. And it says precautions regarding the pads. Do not use this during these activities. Pain management warnings. How does it work? How to operate this. Alright, so let's dive into the machine itself. So this machine here is the leading TENS pads, which low impedance solid gel has been upgraded to the industry leading American adhesive. So the pads for this is very good. You can use it up to 45 times. So in this machine, you've got your menu, you got your time, your plus up, down, and you got mode A and mode B. So there's your mode A and mode B plugins. So this machine here offers up to 20 modes that are preset. There's your power on, off, and then you have a USB port. So you can see it's very sleek. Just go ahead and turn it on. So here are the modes. Like I said, there are 20 different modes that are preset. You have kneading, you have shiatsu, hammering, you have cupping, you have massages. So each one of these have 4 modes inside of one setting. And then you have your intensities for your mode A and B. There's your battery display. Your time goes all the way up from 10 minutes to 90 minutes. There is your intensities. And here's your modes. So here is the kneading. There's 4 different programs inside each mode. Then you have your massages here at the bottom. So So this is great to trigger those muscles from your shoulder, your lower back, knee. I like to do it on my lower back because it gets right into my back muscles, especially if I've been working out and I need to trigger those areas that I can't get with regular massages. So the best mode of this one here, I like the cupping. The cupping feels like somebody's basically cupping your back. If you've ever had cupping done, that's exactly what it feels like. You can see the sleek design. It's very lightweight and small. It can be taken anywhere. Say you're at a beach or something and you want that extra massage. This is a great item to have. It's really sleek. Like I said, it does everything that if you go to a physical therapist does. Right there in the place of your home. You do get extra pads. Those pads are very nice. The 2x4s can reach areas that you need more coverage, where the 2x2s are smaller areas, like for instance your arms, your shoulders. This is a family unit, so that means you get 16 small 2x2s and you get 8 2x4s. You've got the charger, the plug, you got the 2 wires that goes into it, you got a belt clip, and you have the machine plus a user manual. This one is a really nice unit. I like the family pack because it does have extra pads, so it'll last you a little bit longer because those pads are only good for up to 45 usage. I would definitely say check this one out.